Hey guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the coupon camp. Today we are in Family Dollar doing some clearance deals. I want to look for some gardening stuff, but I did run into this right here. That's a very cheap price right here. Now I've been looking for these. At first they was $3, then it was $2.50. So let's scan now and see how much they are. Okay, let's see. Oh, you. Okay, it's saying product not found, but they are, and the price is ripped off that one. Let me try one of these because I did put them in my buggy because I didn't want. Okay, so it's a blue star. Okay, $2. So this is the whole blue star. First of all, it's 2 towels, a hand mitt, and 2 of these. So you get 5 pieces for $2. So it did have one red one. I got a red one, and I got these blues right here. One of them, the tab broke off, but I'm gonna be grabbing those because that's a good deal. Now all the summer and outdoor stuff is on clearance. Okay, the tablecloths are $1, so these are $1. It's a blue star. And there it is, $1, okay? So let's grab that. Hey guys, so I know I skipped from clearance into household, but still the same, deals are deals. Come over here to your Palmolive, right here. Now this is the lemon, and then that's the blueberry. Oh, it's a blueberry. I might try that one. Okay, and then we're gonna scan it. Scan it right here. Okay, they're $1.75 with a $1 coupon that attaches to it, making those 75 cents. So I'm gonna grab these. I have 2 accounts, but it's tons of it. These are $1.75. Hopefully they'll be going down even cheaper than that. Make sure you come over here and scan, guys. Now let me show you guys something. You see this Don with gain in it? Let me scan it right quick. I want to see how much it is because I really don't remember this selling. It's $5. It's gonna be a Don coupon come out this week. Buy one get one free. That's got gain in it though. Let's see how much the Centivia is. We got a bleach coupon too. Let's see if it matches it. Ah, God, it's saying it's product not found. Yeah. Yep, it's saying product not found. I hate when that happens. Let me see. What about the Lysol? $1.75. No coupon. And it's 35 wipes. That's actually a good deal, even without a coupon to it. That $1.75 for these, that's a good deal. We pay this with a coupon. Don't forget they clearances here also, guys. First of all, like this is a mess, and I don't know who did that, but they already started their the clearancing out of the house outside stuff. And what I'm really looking for is some pots. Those pots didn't do well for me, so I'm not gonna grab those again. These right here, they broke up, but let me see how much they are. These little animals. Okay, it didn't come up for me, but they 50% off, so $1.25, they 75 cents, which is a good deal. Super thin. I had a couple of strawberries that grew, but not really good, so I'm not gonna mess with those again. I just think I could have did better for my buck. Okay, guys, so see these little pots right here, a little deeper. It say $1.25. They 47 cents. Look, I scanned them. They 47 cents. So to grow in it, these make good growing pots. They real thin like the other ones. Maybe I can double and make 2 pots and make a drainage system out of one of them. Put rocks in one and then put it over it. Then I can grow my strawberries like that, or different vegetables that I want to grow. because the other ones didn't do good. I didn't like that. It didn't grow well at all. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Okay guys, so you see these grow pots right here, $3. They are actually $1.47. Okay, so let's see. There it is, $1.47. Now again, I would get these if I could make a drainage system out of them. They do not grow well when they're just sitting. Like I'm a new gardener, so I have to use double. Okay, and that's enough. They're $1.47. So I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna get these because I can double them with rocks at the bottom. Then I have all of the tablecloths. So let's grab these, okay, right here. Let's see what else. I'm trying to hold this steady because I don't want to make people dizzy. Let's see. Now these little solar lights, there's 3. I don't know how well they work. They're plastic though. And they 3, so they should be $1.47 also. Okay guys, you see these right here? Again, you could make a drainage system. These right here are $1.25, but when I scan it, 47 cents. Now all of these I bought at a Dollar Tree this summer coming up, and they were $1.25. So I'm gonna grab these. I have to grab the deals. I cannot keep paying $1 and some each. Look at this. If you're a Bears fan, it's a barbecue spatula. It's $10. Got the Bears logo. Look, they $5. That's a great deal. That cow, that's that cow. So these are $5. It's a really good deal, especially if you have someone that's a Bears fan in a garden. They like to grill. There you go, right there. Oh, these little solar mushrooms. Let me see. Hey, the solar mushrooms are $1.47, and those are so cute. Okay, they will look cute around your garden. They go in and out. I'm also looking for garden seeds. So I don't see garden seeds, which I bought last. I bought a lot of dollar garden seeds and they grew fantastic. So I don't think there's anything wrong with them. Okay. So I scanned a lot of this stuff. That's not on sale yet. That right here. Those go on the wall. Okay guys, you see right here the gardening fence right here. It's usually $1.25. They're 47 cents. So if you have a little garden you want to plant like in the front around your tree, any of that, this would be perfect right here. Let me show it to you. The price, 47 cents. So I'm going to put like a watermelon patch around a tree in front of my house, and I need this to go around it. I don't want people stepping in it. So I'm going to probably do that. And plus, it kind of trellis itself a little. Okay, guys. So I am in another Family Dollar. I hit the jackpot in this one. Okay, so planters that I was looking for, because I do container gardening for now until I do my homestead. These right here, they are huge. From here all the way to here, and they are $4.97. They look like that. I could plant tomatoes and corn in this. These are and they super thick. And this, what, see this? Definitely
go past the slide,
plant
then at the next one.
This one is a long bucket too. Let me scan it for you guys. Show you how much it costs. $3.97. I got all of those. Okay, this bucket, try to get the thing, $4.97. Great price. Okay, this is professional potting mix with fertilizer in it, $2.97. Okay, now let me show you guys something. See all these seeds? I just took all of them, 4 for $1, right? Let me scan it for you. 17 cents. Guys, I used Dollar Tree seeds last time. They was perfect. I don't see nothing wrong with them this time. I'm going to try the microgreens because my mama loved these things. Let me see how much the microgreens are. 47 cents, which is fine. Oh my God, those are, and they grow in little as 5 days to harvest. You can grow. They got onions, cantaloupe, marigold, summer squash. I think it's a winter squash too. It's summer squash, winter squash. It's basil, cilantro, radishes. There's so much poppy. And then down in here, as you can see, I got some smoke boxes that go for the grill. Bought 3 of those for the people that grill. Then I bought some Miracle-Gro. And this store got more goods, so I'll be back to this store, guys. But for now, make sure you run. You're a gardener. Go get the gardener and barbecue things. It is worth all of it. Okay, guys, the watering sticks, plastic. They look like this. They're $1.25, so they 47 cents too. We're gonna grab this. We're gonna grab a couple of those. My internet just went down. So these, last year, we used plastic bottles. You guys see this? The Family Chef 3-piece deluxe barbecue set, $5. It's these 3 pieces. It's the tongs, the fork, and the spatula. Look at this. It's my computer just went internet. Here it is. $2.47. You talking about some good Christmas gifts? Now that's a good. This is a good Christmas gift. Barbecue. That's a good gift right there. $2.47 for these. Oh my God, guys. Get here and grab them. What's this? Oh, here's a scrubber. That's $3, so it should be $1.25. Let's check it. Okay, guys, we doing so good with all the outdoor stuff. Like, I swear I paid tons of money because this is like a couple. I'm just starting the garden. $1.47. So with the barbecue set, get these because those are $1.47. Hope I can find some more of them. That's like that was all of them. Okay, see how much these scrapers are. They $5, so they should be $1.47. Okay, let's see, or $2.47, I think. Tried to do it under my phone. $2.47. These are flimsy compared to the one that's $1.47. So I'm not gonna get these. I think they need to go down a little lower. Need one more. I don't see it. No, I don't see it. I mean, you can put together a whole barbecue set. Oh, what's this? I don't barbecue, so I don't know what that is. It's a twin hand grill brush. $1.47. I'm gonna get that just because there's so many guys that barbecue in our family. No ladies, we all sit back and wait to be fed. And I don't see any more of those. This $3 for this big spatula. But I just got the gift set, so I'm okay. And this is, oh, another gift set. I found another one, get that one too. Okay, so you can buy the ice coolers right here. Oh, those never really work good for me. These are cute little ceramics if you're gonna put something in those. $3, so they should be like $1.47. What is this? These are insulated totes. $3, so they're $1.47. Oh, it's a cooler. Let me see how much it is so I can get my feelings hurt. Because I just bought one online about a month ago, going to my son's track meets. Let's see. Oh Lord, $4.97 gas. That's a good deal, but I literally just bought one. That makes my stomach hurt. Okay, so they got some more stuff. Let me see. Oh, they got little stuff in cups that like you could do a daisy. Okay, the grills only went down by $5. They was $30, now they $25. So I will hold off from those. These are $2.47 also. I don't really use these lanterns yet.